Hi, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Elizabeth. Welcome to What We Thought. Well, springtime is just a few days away and our favorite time of year. Time to start gardening.
So for today's video, we're going to be putting together a a raised bed garden box that VEVOR has sent us. And so we're going to show you putting this together, but first let's look at the inside. Okay, so once again, here's the VEVOR. This is a 4x8 raised bed garden box. I cut around the tape already, just to show you what's inside. And like, you know, I've said it before, but when VEVOR packs stuff, they pack stuff really well. So this is just a little plastic cover to go on the top edge of the garden box. And check this out. They sent little garden shovels, some gloves. This is like, I mean, it looks like kid-sized gloves. And then little things to mark your vegetables or whatever you plant. So that's pretty cool. Little weed thing there. All right, okay. So here's all the building materials. We're gonna have to get the instructions out and follow along, but I'm sure these go on the corners and in between. Okay, get all our parts, and then the panels are right under here. And look at all those screws we get to put together. Oh boy. And then here's the suggestion instructions. Okay, and all the panels. All right, and there's the panels. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it together over here on our grass. And then before we move it over into this area is going to be the garden. We're going to have a couple of raised beds, and we have some gravel here, but we're going to lay down plastic on all this dirt, and then wherever our garden boxes go, we'll cut around, and that'll help keep the weeds at bay. And they're already growing. Like Elizabeth said, spring is just around the corner. We had spring this week, winter last week, spring before that. So yeah, let's get this build on. So, ran into an issue. These cross beams right here, if you put them together like this, they're only 46 inches wide when you need to be 48 inches wide. So what we did was just did the one hole, and once you fill the box up, it'll spread it out. But that's really, I don't know. It's very flimsy, but we're gonna try it. There it is, VEVOR. They even got their name on it. Right there. 4 feet by 8 feet. And the biggest issue is these cross beams. There's no instructions. Tab to tab, not 2 bolts, but 1. And then once we fill it, it'll expand it and keep it from going bigger than 4 feet. But that was, besides every little screw that you got to use to put it together, corners, you know, you have to fiddle with it a little bit. So bottom line is you need some patience to put one of these together, because there's a lot of screws, and then the instructions, it doesn't tell you. We even looked at a video online, and the guy online put them together like I did, but then his ended up looking like this. But I don't think he ever showed that you just went tab to tab and not together. So, and then once we fill it up, it's going to take a lot to fill this up. It's 2 feet high, which is going to be great. We're going to have it over here and fill it up with, you know, some logs, some hay, like I said, whatever we can. So
cardboard.
Yeah, cardboard, whatever we can, so we don't have like, you know, 50 bags of topsoil in there, or dirt. We don't have access to a lot of dirt here. So anyway, aside from that, oh, and then we forgot to peel the protective coating off before we started putting it together. So peel the protective coating off before. It comes off fairly easy, but you know, we had a screw on the top and the bottom, and it came off, but that was our mistake, and also no instructions. There's a picture showing it, showing the parts, and it really doesn't explain anything. Okay, so if you get one of these,
I think that I like it. I like the way it looks, and I like how sturdy it is. Now that it's done, it took us about 2 or 3 hours to put together, but I think it would have taken less if we figured this part out. But that took us a while. Yeah. And then of course all the screws.
Well, and if we would have took the plastic off first too.
Yes.
So that did take some time.
Yeah. But overall I really do like it. I think it's going to look very nice.
Overall, it's going to be great to have in our garden because we've got a pretty good sized area over here, 8 foot long. And I got to tell you, if I go missing, you might want to check in here first, you know, because I'd fit in there. Yeah. I'm a little over 6 feet. This is 8 feet long.
Takes a lot of patience to work together.
Takes a lot of patience.
Like this. Yeah. I'm ready to put them in the box. No, I'm just kidding.
All right. Well, we'll put a link below if you're interested in one of these. It is a good size. It's nice and big, and
for the cost, it's good.
For the price, it's really good. Yeah. And like you could just have one of these for your entire garden, but we're probably going to do a couple of them, or we'll do something else out here anyway. So. Thanks for watching.
Thank you. Thank you for joining us.
Yep. I hope you hit the like and subscribe and join us on our journey for our backyard and our just everything, our reviews. And hopefully we'll see you on the next video.
And that's what we thought.
That's what we thought.
Thank you. Have a good day.